Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Destiny and thank you for tuning in. This is actually the first video I posted since my last upload, which was about 3 whole years ago. I know, it's been a long time. I've been slacking off, like for real. But it's okay, we good, we back, and we're gonna come back stronger than ever. So let's go. This video is gonna be a get ready with me. As you can see, this was originally supposed to be a talk through, but I was running my chops a little longer than I expected. So you know I had to work something out. I'm gonna work on that next time, it's all about the progress. Okay, I'm still running my chops, so let me shut my mouth and let's get into this beat, y'all. Do you guys see that big mosquito bite on my forehead? Like, I don't know what's going on, but the thing is, I still can't find him. He's over here trying to make a new home, and I'm trying to kick him out. To start off, I'm just going to take my Juvia's Place concealer, and I'm just going to use that to shape up my brows. You know the brows have to have their own show now. Come on. You know when you get your brows slayed by the gods? Yes, sis, that's how I was feeling. When my brows aren't done, I be feeling all depressed, like the world is going to come to an end. So you know I had to get my brows cleaned up real quick. Shout out to my girl Rianne for putting me on threading. Y'all, get your brows threaded. You will not regret it. Right now, I'm just going to take my Maybelline concealer in the shade 40. And I'm just going to use that for a base for my shadow. For eyeshadow today, we're actually going to be using the Morphe 3502 palette, and I'm just going to go in with that first shade. It's more of like a tape, I think that's how you say it. Honestly, you guys know what I mean, but I'm just going to use it as a transition shade, and I'm just going to build that to the depth of how I want it. I don't know what it is, but I love mauves. Like, I'm a mauve girl, Like, I love me some mauve eyeshadows. Hello? Next, I'm going to go in with that burnt orange shadow, and I'm actually going to lay that right on top. By the way, I didn't set this concealer with any powder. I actually set it with the first eyeshadow that I applied. Next, I'm going to go in with that brown shadow, and I'm going to apply that to my outer crease, and I'm just going to blend that out really good. I'm going to go back in with that first shadow that I used as the transition shade, and I'm going to blend that burnt orange out just a little bit. Next, I'm going to take that chocolate brown shade, and I'm just going to deepen up the outer crease a little bit. Don't mind me laughing. For some reason, I said mocha brown or whatever, and I thought it was funny. Don't judge me, y'all. Right now, I'm just cutting my crease with that Juvia's Place concealer. Clearly, I don't know my shadows, but this one is actually like a dark chocolate brown. I actually thought I ruined the look with this. I was kind of torn on the shadow, but mostly I could be tripping, so I don't know. Y'all let me know what you think. Right now, I'm going to go in with that same orange I used earlier, and I'm just going to use that to blend out any harsh edges from the brown that I put on my lid. Next, I'm going to go in with that maroon and that black shadow, and I'm going to put that in the outer crease just to darken it up a little bit. For my mascara, I'm going to be using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Volumizing Mascara, and I'm going to apply a good coat or two to my lashes. For my lashes, I'm going to go in with a pair from Lash Barbs. I found this on IG, so I decided to try it out. Since we want nice and curved lashes and not flappy lashes, I'm going to apply a thin layer of glue to them, and I'm actually going to bend them so I can train them to sit on my eye. Priming my face off camera, I just used my Urban Decay All-Nighter Primer. Next, I'm going to be taking my Juvia's Place Matte Foundation, and I'm going to apply long strokes around my face so I can blend it out evenly with my Real Techniques Beauty Blender. since we want to lock this in all day, I'm going to use my Ombre Decay setting spray, and I'm going to spray my face between every layer. So for my highlight, I'm just going to take that same Juvia's Place concealer, and I'm going to apply that under my eye, on my chin, and a little bit on my forehead. To clean up the top of my brows, I'm going to use my Born This Way concealer in the shade Honey. And the thing is, I'm really surprised that my brows are still with me, y'all. Like, I had permanent makeup on them, I waxed them, I over plucked them. Like, I really put my brows through it over the years. Like, damn, my bad brows. I'm sorry. I'm gonna treat you better from now on, okay? Ooh, that's what he said. Okay, let me show you now. To set all those layers so our face doesn't move all day, I'm going to take my Anastasia loose setting powder in Banana, and I'm just going to apply that with a damp beauty blender. While that powder is actually baking, I'm actually going to take my light to medium contour kit by Anastasia, and I'm actually just going to sculpt my face with that, and then I'll brush off the excess powder later. Can someone explain to me why I said actually like 3 times in a row? I know I'm tired because I've been up since 12 or 1 o'clock editing this video, and it's 8:37 in the morning, guys. To finish off the eyes, I'm going to go in with my Chunky Glitter by flutteredbyro, and I'm going to use that lash glue as an adhesive. I had to show you guys this glitter, like, for real. It's so pretty. Like, I just want to eat it. Well, not really, but you know what I mean. For my highlighter, I'm going to take my MEEEE highlighter, and I'm going to apply that to my face, my nose, and my brow bone. To finish off my brows, I'm going to apply my Dip Brow by Anastasia. I'm actually going to take small strokes and apply this where I need it most. I focus this more on the tail of my brow and at the front. Since my left brow needs a little extra love, I have to create an arch to match my good brow. This is where I over plucked my brow way back. So this is my way of fixing it until she feels like growing back. Finally, I get to the end. I'm gonna take my NYX liquid lipstick and apply that on top. And y'all, I mean never wear matte. Like, I'm more of a gloss girl. Like, I cannot put my gloss down. But I had to try something a little different today, and I actually liked it. So this might be my new lip combo. Let me know what's your favorite lip combo in the comments. To set all this work done, we're going to take our Urban Decay setting spray, and we're just going to give us one little last spritz before we go. Alright, so this actually completes the look. Ooh, look sis, we is cute. Thank you guys for actually coming to my channel to watch this video. Thank you for taking your time out of your day to just, you know, watch me. I really appreciate it. If you guys want to see more videos, let me know so I can do videos on what you guys like. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and show your girl some love, because I want to grow. I want to be better. So I will see you guys in my next video, and thank you for watching.